All right, folks. Today we're cooking something that'll make your taste buds. Dance Acehnese-style egg curry. Get ready, because this dish is about to take your senses on a wild ride. First up, the Spice Squad. We've got red chilies, shallots, garlic, pepper, coriander, turmeric. Basically, the ultimate dream team for flavor. Now let's blend them up until smooth. If your blender struggles, just send some good vibes its way. Time to sauté. This is the moment when your kitchen starts, smelling so good that your neighbors suddenly become friendly, asking, "Hey, what are you cooking?" Now pour in the coconut milk to make the curry rich and creamy. Remember, coconut milk is like an ex. You need just the right amount, or things might get messy. And here comes the star of the show, eggs! Gently drop them in, like placing a baby in bed. No whisking, just let them stay whole and beautiful, like a heart that hasn't been broken. And voila! A Acehnese-style egg curry is ready to serve. The color is stunning, the aroma is irresistible, and the taste, it might just make you forget your problems, at least for a little while. So there you have it. Guys, a dish that makes your stomach happy while keeping your wallet safe. Try it at home and let the magic happen.